Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be changing out my old broken cup holder on my SRT6 with a used one that I bought, a newer used one. I've already started the process. Pretty much all I did was took a flathead screwdriver and lightly pried around this little collet, and that came off. Then same thing, I went around here and lightly plied and just pull this up. And when you do that, you gotta keep in mind it has this nice little lip right here, so you got, when you pull it out, you gotta be careful. You gotta kind of angle it up like that and go towards the back of the car. Then we kind of set that out the way. Keep in mind the connectors for the windows are still connected, so we can't just completely remove it out of the way without disconnecting those. Next, there are these two little, after you remove that, it reveals these two Phillips head screws. And then in the back, in our center console, we just open it up. It's going to be hard to see. But at the very back, you can't really see it at all. But yeah, you just pull half the carpet up. There should be a nice little seam, and you just pull it up. I had to put a flathead screwdriver at the end and pull it back, and it reveals two 10mm nuts, which I've already taken off. And I've already slid off my e-brake handle, which I guess because it's so how hot it is, mine slid off really easy. So we just slid that off. We took those two nuts out. We got to remove these two Phillips heads. I don't believe we have to remove this, but it is connected, so once we do get this up, we will have to be kind of weary of that. And as you can see, this is why we're replacing my cup holder. It's completely trash. I think it's hung or something. I don't know, but it's trash. So yeah, let's get into it. I'll go ahead and remove those two Phillips head. I already removed the two 10mm, and then we'll see what we get. Alright, now that we got those two nuts and those two Phillips head undone, all I did was pull the e-brake as far up as I could go, and we finagled it through this opening right there. So yeah, I thought this the mirror switch control would be a problem. See how tight it is, not allowing us to pull up on the center console like we needed to get it out, but it was no problem. As you can see, it is kind of tight right here. All I did was pulled up and then flipped it over. That gave us access to our four cup holder bolts, which are T10s. There's one right here. They're very small, very small. You can see one right there. But yeah, there's four. One right there, one right there, one right there, and one right there. And then after we loosen all them up, we should simply be able to slide this cup holder straight out the back and put in our new cup holder, which is right here. This is our, not new, but our used cup holder. So yeah, hopefully it'll work. And here is part of the old one. There's part of it. As you can see, it snapped off. The cup holders and these things are really brittle and really crappy. I wonder if that's, yeah, I think somebody just glued a pad to it. I don't understand that. Whatever. Alright, I guess we'll take those four T10s out and we'll slide our cup holder out and put our new one in. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and install our new one. I believe it goes like this. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we'll just take it like so. Two tabs up here, two lower tabs. Just go ahead and place it in there, and as you can see, the bolt holes line up. Yep, they all line up. So now we'll go ahead and put our T10 screws back in. So here it is. Here's our old broken crappy cup holder, and here's our new used non-broken cup holder. I think I picked this one up off of eBay for like 50 bucks, but this one is a used one. This one, when we first bought the car, is already broken, and yeah, I'm just now getting around to fixing it. And you can see the door or the top, which is right here, it's broken off. I don't know how they had, I don't know, like this. Yeah, they just had something that's stuck on there, but yeah, that's what it looked like. Top was broken, and also it's jammed down in there. There it is. But yeah, as you can see, this cup holder is really broken. I don't know. But yeah, and look how dirty and nasty it is. The previous owner tried to rig it up to stay down by putting this paper in there. So yeah, so we're throwing that away, and we're gonna be putting in our new one. Well, not new, but our used one. This one is in really good shape. None of the tabs are broken or cracked, nothing. And the swivel mechanism right here, or the spring, is already greased. So that's pretty dope. Alright, after we've hand tightened all our T10 screws, all 4 of them, be careful not to over tighten them. I just hand tighten them so they don't crack or break the plastic tabs. So we got them all in, everything's nice and sturdy. Now would be a good time to go ahead and clean up all this trim pieces that are going to be exposed. But we're not going to do that just yet. So once that's all done, all we'll have to do is just flip this back over and finagle it. Like I said, there's the e-brake. We'll have to finagle it. Which ain't nothing. You see the nice motion of going down and back. Just pull that out the way. Make sure everything, it should set nice and comfortably once we get it close. There it is. There it is. Look, they lined up. Now is the time that I'm going to go through here. I'm going to clean up all our trim pieces, such as right here. Clean off our e-brake and all this gunk from the previous owner. And yeah. But that's pretty much it. We still got to put our 2 10mm nuts back on the studs back here, and then lay down the carpet on in the center console, and also put in our 2 Phillips head screws, which are located right here and right here, and slide our e-brake cover over it, which we can go ahead and do that right now. I can line it up. Yeah, it's lined up. There it is. Make sure that boot, there it goes in, and that's it for the e-brake. Now we can go ahead and drop it. So that's about it. We're pretty much in the home stretch. Let's test the functionality. And look, we got a cup holder. I think this one is just had a little tab that's broke, but it's a lot better than our other cup holder. Now I don't know why it's not going down. There it goes. Those cup holders are the shittiest cup holders I've ever seen. And there it is. It's all back together, nice and flush. Everything is nice and neat. I still need to fix this coin holder or ashtray, whatever you want to call it, because it will not stay open. I mean, stay closed. But yeah, as you can see, we got everything nice and wiped off and put back together. And we'll be throwing this one away. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found any of this information useful, and see you in the next video.